In the fourth step of Oasis, we bring together what our teams and other stakeholders told us during Listen, and we work together to prioritise and plan the action that we're going to take to enhance TOMO, or total motivation. During this step, we start to vision our story about the future, and our eye turns to the customer, because the customer experience is where our organisational purpose comes together. We look at how our teams are interconnected and consider how we can enjoy work more by engaging in a game plan that works across the organisation. This starts to build a refreshed mindset that recognises often we have internal customers who are part of our greater team. We put together our plans to have immediate impact on our total motivation and get ready to activate.
It was actually great for the managers to work together and create those plans. It started getting them to have more open communication, to understand each other, to see different points of view, and to apply that as well in their own thinking. Where before I think it was very closed, only about their own team, about their own KPIs, not really seeing that big picture.
There was conversation, there was everybody throwing their own ingredient to the mix. That was interesting to see, and also the different aspects of each of the managers that we brought to the Create sessions were very good.
Well, everything that came from the Create, they had more credibility because we listened first. And not only that, everybody's now in each of their groups so that they see that we actually making a contribution to what is coming on ahead. So there's this whole collective creating, which is what we kind of got into with being Adam Panda.
It's made my managers start really thinking about the purpose of why we're doing something, and it's helped us to define who our customers are. We don't only have external customers, we don't only have the internal customers between the teams, we have our learners as well, and to treat them like customers is just as important to us. So I think it's changed the mindset of what a customer is and understanding why they are the most important people in our business.
In the past, we weren't as customer-centric as we are now, because we actually, through the Oasis program, we were able to establish that our customers are very important because they are the future of Siyaya. They determine whether Siyaya will still be here in the next 10 years or not.
And I've realized that, you know what? The department right next door is my client. The learner whose portfolio I have in front of me is my client. And I've actually had my team understand that. So if you receive an email from your colleague next door, take it as a client.
It has to be about the customer, and it's about looking at them holistically, meeting that need, and giving them something that they can sustain so that they'll keep coming back, and they're going to be referring to us as well, which then gives me the opportunity to grow. So the business metrics are a definite result of the way that we are going to be interacting with our customers internally and externally, I think. And Oasis has definitely helped us to understand that, to vision that, to see it, and to make it meaningful in our lives.
Oasis invests in the development of leadership skills directly into your business. It does this by strengthening total motivation in teams and is based on extensive research into what drives a high-performance culture. Please let us know if you believe that Oasis can add value to your business. Invest in developing leaders that are fit for your organisation's future.